Hey everybody, I'm Caleb Walters with Entegra Coach here at DeMontrond RV in Spring, Texas. Today I got something really cool for you. It is a brand new 2026 20T Ethos. If you're looking for a small motorhome that can get you in tight places, also get you off the road, off the grid, this coach is perfect for you. Plus, this 20T floor plan is our best seller. So really excited to show you. Let's head to the back and we can start there. So if you're pulling into a campground that backs up to an amazing view, what better way to catch those views than from in your bathroom right here? Open this up, have an open air environment for you, make a nice spacious bathroom area for you. Of course, with plenty of storage, cabinetry, wardrobe space as well. And then to waterproof the area, you do have a nice curtain here. And my favorite part of our wet bath area on the 20T Ethos is going to be our shower miser water management system. Of course, in a Class B motorhome, you're very limited on your space and, of course, your water capacity. So that shower miser water management system enables you to heat up that water without using it, just so you can preserve the lifespan of your entire fresh tank. So love our wet bath area on this 20T. And then now we can head back towards the front of the coach and take a look at the living area. As I said, this is our best-selling floor plan for the Ethos family. Why? Because you have a nice open kitchen galley area right at the onset of the coach, heading into a very nice either dining or sleeping area with this convertible twin bed area. If you have two people who are wanting to sleep separately, the twin beds are great for that. Or of course, if you're looking for a nice big king size single sleeping area, this does form into one large bed for one or two people, of course. On top of that, love our Euro style cabinetry throughout this coach. Nice, bright, clean colors. Open this up into plenty of overhead storage for all of your capacity needs. On top of that, I love the Ethos product for a couple different reasons. One, we have our 2-year industry-leading warranty. 2 years, everything that Entegra Coach is putting onto this chassis, this Dodge Ram ProMaster chassis, we're covering for 2 full years. An excellent peace of mind for the customer, for you. That second camping season, Entegra Coach has your back. And then on top of that, this does come with our Easy Drive system, so you will have 100% confidence that this is the quietest riding, best handling ProMaster Class B that you can find, with a heavy duty premium suspension. And of course, we're adding Hellwig Helper Springs just to stiffen up that side to side, cut down on that side to side sway, and give you much more steering sensitivity while you're going down the road. So again, if you're looking for something that can get you into a tight space but has plenty of versatility with the sleeping area and storage, the 2026 Entegra Coach Ethos is perfect for you. Come on down. You can check it out at DeMontrond RV in Spring, Texas. Looking forward to seeing you guys.